In this video, we'll explore critical areas where maintenance often goes wrong and, more importantly, how you can prevent them. To make this practical, our engineers will walk you through real examples, each one highlighting a common issue and the right approach for maintenance.
How does the usage of non-genuine parts affect your pump performance? Many customers choose non-genuine parts because they look similar or cost less. At first, everything seems fine, the risk is hidden, until the real damage begins. The true problem appears only after the pump runs under normal operating conditions. Even small differences in material quality or fit can lead to leaks, contamination, or premature wear. Take a real situation we often see. A pump ran normally right after a filter was replaced with a third-party filter. But within weeks, oil started leaking and contamination spread inside the system. The overhaul that followed cost far more than the small savings from the non-genuine part. This is why Edwards recommends using genuine spare parts that are tested for your specific pump. They match the pump's design, operating temperatures and chemical exposure. Using certified parts and purchasing from Edwards or an authorized service provider protects the pump from failures that would otherwise be expensive and disruptive. You can also order your parts and lubricants directly from Edwards' webshop. Click on the link in the description. How using non-genuine oil impacts your vacuum pump health. Oil choices often seem straightforward, and this is where mistakes commonly happen. Many customers select oil based on availability, experience, or cost, without realizing how specific oil types are available for each vacuum pump and application. A real case showed exactly this. A customer replaced Edwards' genuine oil with a third-party oil. Soon, the pump began to run hot, oxidation formed inside, and corrosion damaged internal components. The repairs were far more costly than using the suggested Edwards oil from the start. Edwards oil is formulated and tested for specific pump models and applications. They contain carefully balanced additives to resist oxidation, support temperature control, and protect pump materials. Using the recommended oil keeps the pump stable, prevents internal damage, and maintains long-term performance. Why are filters important for vacuum pump health? Filters may seem like small accessories and are often overlooked. However, their impact becomes clear when dust, powder, or debris enters an unprotected inlet. These particles can scratch internal surfaces, reduce efficiency, and accelerate wear. Likewise, running a pump without an exhaust mist filter allows oil mist to escape into the workspace. This can lead to contamination, hygiene issues, or costly cleaning, especially in sensitive environments. Using proper inlet and exhaust mist filters protects both the pump and the surroundings. Replacing them at the recommended intervals keeps airflow clean, prevents internal wear, and maintains a healthier working environment for operators. What happens when vacuum pumps are left unchecked? A pump that seems to run smoothly can be overlooked, and a backup pump that sits idle for months is often forgotten. The challenge is consistency. Oil in an idle oil-sealed pump still oxidizes slowly, forming deposits that can affect lubrication even before the pump is switched on again. Neglecting these small steps increases the chances of poor performance or unexpected servicing needs. Simple routines help avoid this. Rotate stored pumps. Inspect oil levels. Change oil at recommended intervals. And check filters regularly. An Edwards service plan also helps customers stay on schedule by providing structured support and timely maintenance. Check out the link in the description to explore our various service plans. You can also access step-by-step videos and blogs on how to maintain different vacuum pumps through our do-it-yourself webpage. making it easier to follow best practices and avoid unnecessary repair costs. With consistent habits, both running and stored pumps stay reliable and ready whenever needed. How does operating a vacuum pump outside recommended conditions affect its health? Customers do not intentionally push pumps beyond their limits. Higher production demands or unusual process conditions can gradually move operation outside the recommended pressure, temperature, or load range. Problems begin when the pump stays in these conditions for too long. One real-life example involved a customer turning off the purge gas to save energy. Dust entered the system, collected inside the pump, and eventually caused severe internal damage. The repair costs far outweighed the small energy savings. Edwards specifications are designed to keep pumps safe, staying within the recommended operating window, especially with purge gas enabled when required, helps maintain performance and prevents significant downtime. What would happen to your vacuum pump if not regularly monitored for performance and leaks? Vacuum leaks often start small, which makes them easy to ignore at first. A small leak forces the pump to work harder, raising temperatures, increasing RPMs, and consuming more energy. These changes may seem normal day to day, but they signal that the pump is under stress. As the load increases, sealing components such as O-rings are affected. Over time, O-rings can become porous or cracked. Leaks can also occur if an O-ring is not installed correctly during service or commissioning, or if a non-genuine O-ring is used. In many cases, these issues only become visible once the pump is commissioned and operating under real process conditions, leading to issues like oil leakage and a drop in vacuum performance, etc. Genius Instant Insights detects inconsistent operating behavior early, allowing you to identify sealing issues and restore pump performance before a major damage occurs. If you would like greater visibility into your pump health, you can learn more about Genius Remote Monitoring System or connect your system by clicking the link below.
By staying proactive and following Edwards' recommendations, you can secure great pump performance, minimize downtime, and manage ownership costs. If you have any questions, contact our service team or fill out a form on our website. Like the video and subscribe to stay updated with service best practices and expert advice.